Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we explain how to use Zeely to create holiday sales ad. So to get started with that, Zeely is built to make ad creation easy, especially for promos like holiday sales. To create an holiday sales ad, you start by logging into Zeely and going through a guided ads creation process. The platform will ask you for basic info like your business name, your product, your website, and the goal of your ads. In this case, promoting a holiday sales. So when you reach the design and messaging step, you can customize your ads visual with an holiday terms, image, color, and sales banner. Zeely often suggests template that fits sectional seasonal promotion, so you can quickly add phrases like holiday sales, Black Friday deals, Christmas special, or limited time offer. So you can upload your own festive image or use the Zeely built-in visual if available. Next, you will choose or customize a call to action button like shop now or get offer and provide the link to that sales page or specific product. Zeely use AI to automatically adjust your ads content to fit the platform, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Google, and optimize for a click. Once you are done, Zeely will handle the ads placement, targeting, and budgeting optimization, ensuring your holiday sales reach the right audience without you needing to manually configure ad settings. So to create a holiday sales ad with Zeely, you follow the step-by-step builder, customize visual, and test for your sectional offer, which is to add your CTA and your URL, and Zeely take care of publishing and optimizing the ads across channel, so no design or ads experience needed.